Today we're going to be pushing a journal entry into QuickBooks. So I'm going to come to my templates, go ahead and preview and trigger a manual push. And we're going to go ahead and push for the second. Oh, that has been triggered. Just going to go to QuickBooks and pull up my journal entry report. All that is syncing. I can see my previous journal entry there. I'll come to my book journal entries. Okay, and the journal entry has successfully pushed. I can come here. I can view that journal entry right from here. And then if I go view my report here in QuickBooks, I can see push to deferred revenue and cash. Okay. I hope this helps answer any questions you might have.